Hello, this is UPGROW 4K 3-channel Dashcam. There are 3 cameras in total and there are 3 different video modes. First one is front 2K 1080p inside the car, 2K rear view. Second one is front 4K and 2K rear view. Third one is front 4K and 1080p inside the car view. You can choose the video mode from those 3. You need to purchase SD card separately. SD card should be 64 GB and above. And price is reasonable and camera quality is pretty good.
We got the camera set up and we actually have it on 4K right now. Just wanted to test out the quality of the video, so let's see how that does. You do have a mute button on it, so I can see it from here. You can mute it if you don't want your voice on the videos. But you know, you never know when you might get into an accident or someone backs up, like you reverse, hits you from the front, and then you gotta prove that you didn't hit him from the back. So it's pretty nice.